have seen in the past that the exam for UGC NET has been getting difficult, more challenging, and considering the pattern so far, it is believed that June 2025 examination would be further challenging and difficult. So how to prepare and what are the key things that you must take into account for your UGC NET, where many of the people say the paper has gone unpredictable. It's not exactly unpredictable, but it is more of analytical paper rather than rote learning based questions which are asked. For example, if I talk about DI, the questions include complex calculations. For research aptitude, the questions are more case based, so you must need to understand the applicative aspects of research concepts that you are studying. Teaching aptitude, if we say, the questions have become scenario based. So what is a good way of answering a question under a teaching aptitude is consider yourself to be in a position of teacher, and then you would be able to answer those pedagogical research questions in a better way. Similarly, if we talk about subjects, for example, in economics, the questions from mathematical economics, econometrics have increased significantly. From sociology, from political science, the applicative theoretical questions have increased significantly. From geography, the questions based on practical aspects of GIS cartography have increased significantly. Now, all these pertain to few significant facts. First is, when the paper gets applicative, it gets more time consuming. You might be able to solve it, but you would feel that the time crunch is there when you are in the real examination hall facing the examination. But again, this paper does not have a negative marking, so you are encouraged to attempt all the questions. Considering the time pressure, there is one way in which you can boost yourself, that is prepare with PYQs well. Practice certain mock tests before your examination, and it's a good and a suggested idea always to prepare topic wise questions. So whatever topics you are done with, solve the questions for those topics, then move on to the next topic and solve the questions for those topics. So this is a suggested way in which you should prepare. And for research aptitude, specifically understanding why of a research design is really crucial and important. So definitely your upcoming paper is going to be challenging. The schedule is all set from 25th of June to 29th of June. The official notification is here. You can just go through and verify the dates on which you have the exam and start your preparation upfront. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.